Friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead, and tonight I'm going to show you how I make a really nice meatloaf for our Tuesday night dinner. Be right back. Friends, I am going to make, Lexi's not here today. She had to work, so I get to do the Tuesday night dinner alone. So, I'm going to show you how I do it. I am going to make a real nice meatloaf. And I've got 2 pounds of fresh ground beef. Yum. That's very good. Okay, put that right in there. Don't waste any of it. It's all good. All right. Okay, that goes in my bowl. And I'm going to throw 2 eggs, nice big jumbo eggs, in my bowl. You can see that okay. I miss Lexi being here. It doesn't seem like I'm making it for a big Tuesday night dinner. Okay, now this is my other, I don't know if I have a video that I've already done on my meatloaf, but I always put a box of either stovetop or off-brand, whatever. I buy whatever's on sale. This just happened to be stovetop this time. Anyway, I put a package of that in my meatloaf instead of crackers. And it's nice because all your seasonings are already in here. So the only thing you got to add is some eggs and onion, and look at all the seasonings, and I don't know if you can see that. All the green, the seasonings. So, onion, and add onion and egg and some ketchup and barbecue sauce, and you're good to go. Okay, let me set that aside, hang these back up, and I'm going to cut up this onion real quick. Okay. I'm just going to rough chop it. Nothing fantastic. I just chop it like so. Okay. Put all that in there. It's like a small onion. Okay. Now I'm going to get my gloves because I'm going to mix this all up. This really turns out being a really nice meatloaf. Okay. Now I would say that you'd probably do about a half a cup between barbecue sauce and ketchup in here. So I'm just going to do this because then I want to put a little bit on the top. Let me open this. There we go. I'm almost out of ketchup. Okay. That up there. Go inside of there and get thrown. All right, now we're just going to mix this all up really good. Get your hands right in there. This meatloaf, they love it. It really is good. It's really good with making a mess. It's really good with the stuffing, and you ought to try that. A lot of people just put crackers in there, but by gosh, if you try it with that stuffing, either the stovetop or, even an off-brand, even a store brand. It's wonderful. It's got spices and everything. You don't have to add anything to it except a little salt and pepper to taste, and you're good to go. So, this stuff is good. Okay. All right. Now, we got that. Now I got this nice little stainless restaurant pan. I'm going to put it in there, and I'm just going to pat it down because it will fill this pretty much. Not all the way to the top, but it will fill it all in. Okay. That like so. Now I'm just going to make a groove because I don't know if this is fresh ground beef, but I don't know, you know, if it's going to be greasy or what. It's from my local butcher, so it should be pretty good. Okay, and then I'm going to, I'll get my gloves. Then I'm going to put a nice little groove in the middle of this. Okay. And I'm going to put, I always make a mess with that. I'm going to put ketchup in there. What's left of my ketchup. And then I'm going to put a little, actually I got to take these off. Side. I'm going to put a little bit of my barbecue sauce on there. Just a little bit. Grab a spoon. I'm going to mix that up just like so. I'm going to spread it around. This stuff is wonderful, and you know what? It's good with meatloaf. You can always make extra, which I didn't today. Normally I do, but I didn't today because burger wasn't on sale today. I had to pay $3.99 a pound for this, which yeah, I got it a little bit cheaper because normally it's $4.99 a pound, but I wait till it gets about $2.89 a pound or so, or maybe even a little bit lower, which is very seldom, but $2.89 a pound, then I'll get a whole bunch. And then I'll make extra for the freezer. But that's it, friends. Just like that, I'm going to put it in my oven. I'm not going to cover it up. Actually, yes, I am going to cover it up. I should have aluminum foil in there. I am going to cover it for, you know, for most of the time. And about 10 minutes before it's done, I'm going to turn it off, or not turn it off, but uncover it and just let it brown up a little bit. So, it's that simple. That is a beautiful meatloaf. And it's awesome. Make sure you try it with the stovetop stuffing. So I'm going to get this in the oven. It's going to bake for about 45 minutes to an hour because I'm going to put it at 350. And when it is done, I'll bring you back and I'll show you how good it turned out. Friends, I am back and the meatloaf is all done. The mashed potatoes are done. My corn is done. We're waiting for everybody to get here for dinner. And it's that simple. It didn't take long. This baked for about 50 minutes. It's 180 degrees on the inside, so it's done. It's good, ready to go, easy to put together. So, I'm going to wait for everybody to get here, and I'll start serving up dinner. And thanks for watching. Ciao.